Supporting our immune system during the colder months is vital. Stay tuned for a quick and easy immune boosting tonic. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we are committed to supporting you and your health. And it really all starts in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Grapefruit Oregano Immune-Boosting Tonic. Let's begin by adding a whole grapefruit that's been peeled. And grapefruits are really high in immune-boosting vitamin C. They also contain vitamins and minerals that help support a healthy skin, which is our body's first defense against infections. I'm also going to use the entire fruit, not just the juice, because when you include the fiber from the fruit, it's going to help slow down the absorption of the sugar. Now, if your body is super sensitive to sugar and you don't want any fruit juice at all, a great substitute would be to add in 1 to 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil. You just really want to be sure that you're using organic and food grade. Next, let's add in 1 drop of oregano essential oil, which is antifungal, antimicrobial. It supports your immune system and your digestion, and it can also combat allergies. It's super powerful this time of year. Just be sure that you only add in 1 drop, not 2 or 3. So take it nice and slow, or you can do it over a spoon to make sure you just get 1 drop. Next, let's add 1/2 cup of either filtered water or sparkling mineral water. Either one works great. Last, I've got one of my favorite ingredients. I have 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And did you know that cayenne pepper has been used in food and medicine for the past 9,000 years? It's also excellent in breaking up the mucus from colds, the flu, or allergies. I use it all the time for my allergies. And it also increases your body temperature. So anytime you're sweating, it activates your immune system. It's so good for you during the colder months. Blend up your ingredients really well. Let's give this grapefruit oregano tonic a try. Super powerful. It's really thick, so it's like a smoothie. I love it though. You can taste the grapefruit, you can taste the oregano. If it's too powerful for you, 2 really simple things you can do. Just use 1/2 of a grapefruit instead of 1 whole one. Or you can just add in some more water or sparkling mineral water. And then if you were using the grapefruit essential oil, it's probably even less intense, and of course it wouldn't have that thick consistency. Such a powerful drink. Definitely give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, I'm here every week to hopefully inspire you to get creative in the kitchen with new foods, new healthy recipes, because we all know more than ever right now, our health is invaluable.